For over 50 years, you found Warren Secord Automotive on the west side of Kent. We're now Warren Secord Automotive Tire Pros. I'm owner Bill Winans. I want to invite you to make us your auto shop. Our ASE certified technicians can help you with almost anything you might drive. We work on cars, trucks, SUVs. And if you're a business with a fleet of cars and trucks, talk to us about servicing your fleet. Come make us your automotive shop.
Our last video covered luxury cars. This time we'll look at what are called classic cars, since many people are captivated by their beauty, rarity, and history. TheBalance.com says most organizations that specialize in classic cars agree that 25 years is at least how old a vehicle must be to be called classic. But there's not a perfect agreement, being some have added their own rules. For instance, some automobile clubs say 20 years is enough to qualify as classic. The Classic Car Club of America is considered to have the definitive definition of a classic, saying they must be only certain models produced between 1915 and 1948 and chosen by their representative fine design, high engineering standards, and superior workmanship. Others would say cars of that age are not classic, they're vintage. For insurance and registration purposes, in most cases they must be at least 20 years old but not more than 40. Different states have different regulations and definitions. In Michigan, for example, a vehicle must be 26 or more years old, owned solely as a collector's item and used only for events such as club activities, parades, and car shows.
Did you learn anything in this video? If you're now inspired to fix or check out what you saw here, we can help. Come see us.